If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome. It's that time again. What time is time? 6:22, Saturday, September the 11th, 2021. It's like Christmas Day. It's like Christmas morning. It's like Christmas all the time. Whenever I receive a package, it's from Santa Claus, or the Easter egg, or the great, is it the pumpkin?
Great pumpkin.
The great pumpkin, yeah, or the tooth fairy, or the 4th of July, or Mr. and Miss Nature, or from the squirrels, or Mr. and Miss Duck, or from the moo cows, or the birds, right? Or whoever. So let's get with it. Mail call coming right at you. Oh, hey, have you heard of a gentleman running for city council? Even though it's not in my territory, I thought I'd like to mention this gentleman's name because if you knew Mr. Troy, you would know that he's an honest, decent man, and he truly cares about the people. He's not in it for power or glory. He's not in it for himself, control, or wealth. He's in it because he really cares. And you know, I feel that he would make a difference. So, a vote for Troy is a vote in the right way of getting America cleaned up. Period. All right, on we go with the show. Okay, how's my day been? Oh, pretty good. So, anyway, I got a thing here in the mail, and I always love things. Now, this comes from Miss Lena from Pen Boutique. Have you ever heard of Pen Boutique? Have you ever shopped at Pen Boutique? Then you know as well as I do, if you have shopped at Pen Boutique, Lena and her staff always strive for not 100%, but 1,000% customer service. She's right there, and her staff's right there, Johnny on the spot. And you know, Miss Lena, hard-working mother, wife, and owner of the Pen Boutique shop. She's got it going on because she knows what she's doing. Smart lady, right? I think so. All right, let's get this out of here. And you get like that. And then you get like this. And then you get this box. So, what is this box? Well, it says Sailor. What does it say, Mr. Announcer? Sailor.
Yeah, it just says Sailor and a few other things.
Yeah, okay. Okay, and it comes in this white carton as usual. And then what does the back of it say, Mr. Announcer?
That one says 1911S Color FPRD.
Okay, here we go. And this will be done for review. Your standard Sailor box, logo, anchor there. Nice pen case, and we'll open it up. And there is this beautiful Sailor in red with the gold trim, my favorite color right here, gold trim. I like my pens to have gold trim on them. That's just me. I do have a lot that have the chrome or the silver or palladium, but this is my favorite. The rose gold too, favorite. Let's open this little jewel up. It is a beauty. And 14K gold nib, and it is a focus HB, and I believe, if I'm right, a hard broad maybe. Okay, well, I'll be ready to fire this little baby up and tell you more about it very, very soon. So I'm going to end the show right now because I got a lot going on today, and I want to get with it because I want to give you guys some cool stuff and cool videos coming up. Because it's always cool if you're happy, if you're satisfied, if you're content. If I did something right during the video to make you smile, laugh, or just say, hey, Larry may be a little nuts, but he's a cool guy. So then I've accomplished my goal. But remember, all my reviews are honest. They're right on what I feel. Okay? So, folks, God bless you. God love you. A lot of peace and a lot of love. Be kind to a stranger, my friends. We can do that, right? I think we can. And as always, don't, Mr. Announcer.
Text and drive.
Very good. Bye-bye.